I believe these are the fuel hostile wheels. I got a good deal on these, and so we'll be throwing these on the Ram in the morning. We got these things loaded up. These are not the boxes that came in. These are different boxes, but got them loaded up, ready for tomorrow. Well, we finally got the wheels on the truck. We got them on a couple days ago. I just hadn't had time to film this, but what we're gonna do is I'll show you what we got. And these are the fuel. Again, these are the fuel hostage rims. I think they turned out pretty well. And what I did not realize is that these are actually 10 wise. My old ones were 9 wise. So they stick out just a little bit more than the other ones. But I think they look way better. Way better than the other ones. So yeah. We got these put on the other day. But yeah, it just makes the truck look a whole lot better than what it did. I mean, sold. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. More truck content coming in the future. Please like this video, subscribe, and have a good day.